This is the part where we draw weird monster faces. All right, hello everyone. I've got a piece of paper and a marker here. I'm doing another second video of these. I did a monster face drawing video like a year ago, right? And then one person specifically has been pestering me in the most wonderful way to make another one. So here we are. I mean, these are good videos to make. You know, the videos where you draw a picture. So I have nothing against it. It's just I can only make one video at a time, you know? So that's, I don't know what I'm saying, but here's installation number 2 in the Drawing Weird Monster Faces with Peter video series on YouTube. For you. Is that why it's called YouTube? Because it's for you? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Alright, so basically the concept here is I draw a bunch of wiggly wobbly lines. Excuse me. And we somehow turn them into monster faces or something. Because, look, it's different than what I normally do. Because normally most of the things I draw, I don't intentionally try to make look like faces or monsters or anything really. So, yeah. This guy's got a big chin and stuff. And all right, I want some big eyes. Big eye. Here's an eyelid going on here. Bottom eyelid. Iris. Kind of a wait. How do eyes work? Anyone here a pupil? Pupil? A student of the eye. Optometry. Here's one eye. Here's another. Here's a lower eyelid. But kind of. Oh, what am I doing? It's okay to not know what you're doing. When I plan these out too much, I definitely, like I said in the last video, I don't know how many of you have ever even seen it, watched it because it was so long ago, but it was, like I said, I plan them out and they turn out worse. Worse than this, if you can believe it. The big nostril, there's another nostril. I don't know why I'm always so intent on drawing big weird teeth in my monsters, but you know, we all have our own thing. Maybe you like big weird whiskers or forehead wrinkles like these. We can all get into some big weird forehead wrinkles, right? And here's a tongue. Oh yeah. You don't have to know what you're doing. That's what I was saying. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? Right now it is 12:28 a.m. in the a.m. That means just past midnight. And after this, my other plans involve, I think maybe before I go to bed, I'll make myself a big old bowl of Honey Nut Cheerios. I'm really looking forward to that. That'll be my little reward for this video. Oh, this guy doesn't really look like a monster, so we're gonna have to maybe give him some horns or something. What am I doing? It's good to be in kind of like a constant state of a little bit of wonder. Maybe like a weird devil horn things, but they're just wonky enough so that they're not scary, right? The horns. I'm personally not going for scary horns. But I mean, you can if you want to. He's got weird ears, that's for sure. Was he like whistling or something? I don't know. I have a hard time drawing like complete faces. Like I want to keep making things overlap and stuff. Let me zoom out a tiny bit. Here's another horn coming up the back of the head. And the back of the head comes back around here. And here's another horn that kind of shoots off sideways. They just, sometimes if you don't take care of your horns, they grow in weird ways, kind of like wisdom teeth. And I think a lot of people maybe would have horns like this if they didn't have horn removal surgery, like we all mostly do these days. Make him look kind of concerned with these eyebrows, right? So that way he doesn't look as mean even. Eyebrows say a lot about emotions, I think. Now he looks sad. Oh no. I want some wrinkles in the back of this guy's head too. And I want some, the jawline kind of comes here, and then like a very skinny neck. And this guy gets fatter. His neck is fatter. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then I want someone here with a bunch of eyes. Yes. It's like an eye I don't know why I'm so addicted to eyes. Here's his mouth. More eyes. He's waving. He likes you. He sees you. You know how aren't there bugs like spiders or something that have like one set of eyes and then like another set of crazier eyes? He's kind of like that. And then, is this guy, is he monster-y enough? He needs another set of eyes, really, to be more monster-y. There we go, that's a little scarier, a little weirder at least. Maybe some more weird horns. I don't know why I'm so... You don't have to have explanations for everything, it's fine. I'll try to stop explaining everything. Just create things, just make things, draw things, put it on the paper. This guy has a bunch of little hands right here. Another hand. This is how I draw hands. I gave up a long time ago, to be honest. Just little wobbly blobs. Here's another hand poking out. Hey guys, what's up? And he's got like a hamburger here. He's holding on to. Oh yeah, that looks good. That's what he's nomming on. Oh yeah. I'm really thinking about food now. Now I'm thinking about a hamburger. I don't know if Honey Nut Cheerios are gonna cut it. Might have to heat up a microwave dinner. What should we put over here? I want something with a big, I want big mixture of big teeth and small teeth. That's what I want. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of wrap it around. He's got a butt chin. Some people have those. I kind of have that a little bit. It's fine. It's call it cleft chin, I think. I shouldn't have done that. It's fine. It's okay though. He probably gets made fun of at school for it, poor guy. If you see people with weird facial features like that, don't make fun of them, okay? They probably already have they probably already beat themselves up about it enough. It's the last thing they need. This guy flosses between these two teeth enough. These are less monstery and more just weird, comical, weird faces. It's okay. But it's okay. If you set out to draw one thing, it's okay to at any time deviate and end up drawing something else. The key is that you're drawing something. That's great. That's what's so awesome. Those are... I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Okay. It's fine. I want to draw circles. See, look, I had an urge to draw a circle there. I drew a circle, and it's fine. It's great. Now I want to draw a square. So, and that. Who knows what these are? It's cool. It's fine. I like it. Okay. And look at this crazy, insane, this is maybe the scariest monster I've ever drawn. So frightening. Oh, that's the stuff of nightmares right there. And his friend over here. I should be a concept artist. Would you guys support me in that? And then, okay, and then down here, I'm going to draw a snake. Or wait. There's an eye. Here's a hand. Here's the other hand. Here's the other eye. Here's a foot. Wait, how do feet work? Here's the other foot. He's just like lying here. It's just like a little guy that lies there, and this guy, this more of a, he's kind of a Jabba the Hutt kind of guy, I guess. And this guy, here's his shoulder and his arm. That's a beautiful hand. That's maybe the best hand I've ever drawn. Here's his back. Here's his spine. His other shoulder. And his anatomy. I haven't started the anatomy of this species yet. I don't know what I'm doing. He's reaching over here. His other hand. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at these guys. They're all like pretty much posing for a picture. It's like some crazy group glam shot. And this guy's a little shy, obviously. This guy is distracted by like a monster butterfly that's like flying around up here. So my Sharpie's like running out or something. The nice thing about when Sharpies run out is that when they start getting a little faint like this, you can start using them for like shading and stuff, like a little grayscale stuff. There's like a crazy butterfly right here. Little antennas and stuff. All right, nice. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll stop saying that. It looks like it's behind him. I don't know. He can't even say it. Maybe it's like Mad Eye Moody. He can roll his eyes back through his head. He's got weird blobs for hair. Just like bloop, 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 bloop. Maybe jello hair. Too much product. Bloop, 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 bloop. If you ever need to help yourself with drawing, just add sound effects. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's good. Nice. Nice. I'm feeling good about it all. Yeah. I'm going to give him some whiskers. Just coming in there. Nice. I'm pretty happy with it, guys. That's it. I mean, it's a quick one, but we got a lot done. And I think we all something or other, and we all this, and we all that. And remember, one thing for the future and one other thing for the future. And then bring it all together for a life lesson. All right. Have a good day, everybody. Goodbye.